I'm in my car on my lunch break, and this is my black tourmaline bowl, guys. It's a small bowl, it's still going. It's a 6-inch small bowl, but this is one of the smallest bowls I have, but it packs a whammy because black tourmaline is one of the stones that you must have. It's a stone for pain, it's a stone for protection, grounding, healing, cleansing, purification, everything you could think of, and especially pain. And I got this bowl, I was inspired in March 2020 for my birthday to get this bowl for myself, a self-gift. My gifts are the gifts that keep on giving. I gift it to myself and I use it to heal others. And I got this bowl because I thought of what did I want to have to help heal us during that time. And black tourmaline was one of the stones that popped up. And it's a beautiful stone. It's embedded in here. I'm not going to tell you how much I paid for it. I can't remember. I know it was a lot. So let's put the intention to do just that. To clear, cleanse, heal, restore, protect. Whatever it is you want to just throw in here as I'm playing this bowl. Whatever you think of positive, throw it in this bowl. Let's go. Accepting, receiving, and just allowing divine grace to flow. Allow it to sink in. Allow it to be absorbed. Yeah. Feel yourself purified and cleansed by this beautiful vibration. All right. Woo! That feels so good. Allow yourself, if you've never experienced a sound healing, a sound bowl, look it up near me. Sound healing near me. What have you got to lose? Literally. This is ancient healing. This ain't Bev healing. I am happy I found it because I could sit in my car on my lunch break and all the stress of today, yesterday, in this last moment, you could just feel it just go. Still waiting for you when you get back. But you can help restore yourself and ground yourself and center yourself. So that's my little break time. And I want to try and always rein myself in as I go back to finish, concentrate, and open my mind up to, let things flow freely. Yeah. So have a great Sunday. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Namaste.